my basement. I just rolled myself and tasted something green and old and glorious. It helped me through the day. When a friend yelled through the transom, get your coat, grab your hat, son. There's a nut down on the corner. He's throwing dollar bills away. So I hung around a bit. I had another hit. I rolled myself a number. I thought about my mama. I fooled around, jacked around, messed around a while, gee. Yeah, I got stoned and I missed it. I got stoned and I missed it. I got stoned and it rolled on by. I got stoned and I missed it. I got stoned and I missed it. I got stoned on me, oh my. Well, now it takes 7 months of virgin just to get that local virgin with a sweet face up to my place just to fool around a bit. But when she woke up real rosy, she was snuggled up real cozy. When she asked me how I liked it, well, it hurts me to admit, yeah, I got stoned and I missed it. I got stoned and I missed it. I got stoned and it rolled on by. Yeah, I got stoned and I missed it. I got stoned and I missed it. I got stoned. Oh me, oh my, hey. Well, I ain't making no excuses for the many things I uses just to brighten up my relationship and help me through the day. But when my earthly days are over and I'm rolled over in the clover, when they ask me how I like it, well, I guess I'll have to say, yeah, I got stoned and I missed it. I got stoned and I missed it. I got stoned all together and it rolled on by. All together, come on. I got stoned and I missed it. I got stoned and I missed it. I got stoned. Oh me, oh my. Hey. I got stoned and missed the whole damn lot. Thank you. Thank you, folks.